sun shining on my face. Yeah, I'm feeling alright today. When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. This one's an old favorite of mine. I'm sure you'll remember it. A gypsy wind is blowing warm tonight. The sky is starlit and the time is right. Still you're telling me how to go. Before you leave, there's something you should know. Yeah, something you should know, babe. I've seen you smiling in the summer sun. I've seen you along and flying when you run. I made my mind up that it's meant to be. Someday, lady, you'll come to me. Someday, lady, you'll come to me. Where the rivers meet the sound of sea. You're high above me now, you're wide and free. Oh, someday, lady, you'll come to me. Someday, lady, you'll come to me. Yeah. Always one. Every time you place the bet, you're still damn good. No one's gotten to you yet. Every time they were sure they had you caught, you were quicker than they thought. You just turned your back and walked. You always said cards will never do you wrong. The trick you said was never play the game too long. When you walk into a restaurant, strung out from the road, and you feel the eyes of morning, 'cause you're shaking off the cold. You pretend it doesn't bother you, but you just want to explode. Most times you can't hear them talk. Now the times you can't. All the same old cliche. Is that a woman or a man? You always see my number. Don't damn make a stand. Learning how to laugh is learning how to live. Learning how to love is learning to forgive. And letting go when it's in your heart. And letting go when it's in your heart. Learning how to breathe is learning to breathe. Learning how to see is learning to release. And believing in the truth of who you are. And believing in the truth of who you are. So love, learn to just be. Take me down, little Susie, take me down. me 10 flowers by the mail. Send me 10 flowers to my wedding. And I won't forget to put roses on your grave. Oh yeah! Someone who walks away so easily. I'm here to stay and make the difference that I can make. Our differences, they do a lot to teach us how to use the tools and gifts we got. Yeah, we got a lot of that today. And in the end, it's still my friend. At least we did intend for us to work. We didn't break, we didn't burn. We had to learn how to bend without the world caving in. I had to learn what I got and what I'm not, and who I am. I won't give up. I won't even if the sky gets red. Yeah, man, you hold my love. Still enough, yeah, still enough. I won't give up, won't give up. No, I won't. God knows I'm strong. We got a lot to learn. God knows we're worth it. And the sign says, long haired freaky people need not oblige. Wax up my hair up under my hat, and I went in to ask him why. He said, you look like a fine, upstanding young man. I think you do. So I take off my hat and imagine that I'll be working with you. Oh, signs everywhere, signs locking up the scenery, breaking my mind. You just talking. Friday night I crashed your bar. Saturday I said I'm sorry. Sunday came and trashed me out again. I was only having fun, wasn't hurting anyone. I need all the joy of the weekend for a change. I'm standing in the combat zone. I walked to Bedford's dying alone. Rode my motorcycle in the rain. And he told me not to drive, but I made it home alive. So you say that's only proves that I'm insane. You may be right, I may be crazy. How about it just make me a lunatic you're looking for? It's too late to fight, it's too late to change me. You may be wrong, all I know is you may be right. Again, you and me still trying to figure out the world, searching for reasons to believe what makes this big ball turn. If we hold on to each other, give love, show love for all love's worth. Yeah, I think my coat's crazy, but tell me, who's it gonna hurt? Who's it gonna hurt? So let our hearts say fire it up. To let our soul say fire it up. To let our mind say fire it up. Let love live again. Yeah. So let your heart say fire it up. Let your soul say fire it up. Let your mind say fire it up. Let love live again. Let your heart say fire it up. Let your soul say fire it up. Let your mind say fire it up. Let